In professional landscape design, harmony is everything. It's not about control, but connection. The sound of water complements the whisper of leaves. The rhythm of light moves across textures like a painter's brush. Each material, stone, soil, wood, and water, carries its own soul. And together, they compose a quiet symphony that speaks to something ancient within us, the need to belong to the earth. Nature moves with rhythm, unpredictable, yet deliberate. The designer listens to that rhythm. Paths are not straight, they flow like streams. Layers of green rise and fall like musical tones. Walking through such a landscape feels like moving through time, a slow unfolding of peace and purpose. This is not decoration, it is choreography between human intention and natural grace. Light, in the hands of a designer, becomes a sculptor. It reveals, it hides, it whispers. Under moonlight or lamp glow, the landscape transforms. What was familiar by day becomes mysterious by night. Each beam and shadow plays its part, shaping not just the garden's form, but its emotion. In these quiet hours, light teaches us that beauty isn't only seen, it's felt. Water has its own language, calm, endless, and alive. In professional landscape design, water becomes both mirror and motion. A gentle stream invites thought, a still pond invites silence. The designer uses it not just for sight, but for sound, a living pulse that soothes the human mind. When water moves through the garden, it carries the spirit of life itself. Texture is the memory of touch. It's the rough bark, the cool stone, the whisper of leaves brushing your skin. A professional designer layers textures like emotions, each surface telling a different story. The garden becomes something you not only see, but experience through every sense. This is how design becomes intimacy. In nature, color is never accidental. It changes with the season, the hour, the light. Professional landscape design follows that same rhythm, painting emotions through hues and tones. The greens calm, the browns ground, the flowers ignite. Together they form a palette not of paint, but of feeling, a gentle reminder that beauty lives in quiet coordination. True professionalism in landscape design honors the earth. Sustainability is not an option, it is a creed. Every native plant chosen supports life unseen. Every drop of rain preserved speaks of care. The designer's art becomes a form of respect, proof that elegance and ecology can grow from the same root. A garden is not only for the eyes, but for the future. emotional journey. Every step, every breath, every rustle of wind is designed to awaken something deep within us. The professional landscape designer shapes space not just for the body to move, but for the soul to rest. Here, in this crafted stillness, we remember what it means to feel alive. When the work is done, what remains is invisible, the presence of thought, care, and spirit. A professional landscape design carries the fingerprint of its creator, not in the name engraved on a plaque, but in the feeling it leaves behind. It's a masterpiece of patience, where human hands and natural time move together, shaping